everybody! Today we're going to be reading a book about water. It's called Water Rolls and Water Rises. And it's also in Spanish, but we're going to be reading it in English today. Let's see. Oh, look, here's blue. Can you show me blue? Remember blue in sign language? Good. So this is the title page. And the title has the title page has the title in it. Water rolls, water rises, el agua rueda y el agua sube. And this was written by Pat Mora. Look, there's a wave. Water rolls onto the shore, under the sun and under the moon. Have you ever been to the ocean? I have. Water rises into soft fog, weaves down the street and strokes an old cat. Fog is also water. It's just much smaller, misty. Whoa! Blown by the wind, the water sails high. Tumbling cloud plums curl through the air. Yeah, look, the water. The wind is making the water go up and down, high and low, making big waves. For those fishermen, slow into rivers, water slithers and snakes through silent canyons at twilight and dawn. So we also see water peaceful. See, this is the water, and it's very peaceful. Nothing like this one where it had big waves, right? It's very peaceful, it's slow. And they're comparing it to the snake. Down smooth canals, water streams, water slides, gliding up roots of tulips and corn. Beautiful water. Look, the shadow. This is a shadow from the tulips and the corn. Filling deep wells, water hums in the dark, sloshes and buckets, quenches our thirst. Yeah, we need water to drink and to be healthy. And they get water from their wells using buckets. Swirling in wisps, water twists within it twirls. Frost scattered dry leaves rubs lonely bare trees. Even in autumn, when it's getting cold, the water still is running. Catches leaves from the autumn leaves that are falling. Such beautiful colors. In storms, the water plunges and thunder's brash roar races through branches from lightning's white flash. Even in storms, do we see the water? Look, that lightning, it's coming down and it hits the water, but it doesn't do anything to it. Then water rests, drowsy in reservoirs. It glistens, silent shimmers like stars. Yeah, sometimes it's very peaceful. Very peaceful. Look, there's camels. So this looks like they might be in the Middle Eastern. And they also get their drinking water from the rivers and the streams. In the murmur of marsh wind, water slumbers on moss, whispers soft songs far under frog feet. We also see water in ponds or swamps. Here's a frog. That's where frogs live. And the ducks. It looks like they're going fishing. Water burbles in springs, gurgles and turns down streams and rivers seeking the sea. Our streams and rivers all lead to the sea, to the ocean. And like here's the water. It goes over the rocks, down the river. Even though it has to splash, it goes down. You often see these up like in the mountains in Sequoia or Yosemite. Skidding and slipping, swooping around bands, spinning on tree roots, careening down cliffs. Like it's coming down the cliff, and like they are too, and it's very bumpy. Very, very bumpy because the water is just going up and down, creating more waves. And they're going down using a boat, but they're very careful. Looping and leaping, rushing to dive into glimmering sea waves, playing and splash. Such big waves, like hitting the rocks, so they have to go back. And there are the dolphins. Such big waves, which we see a lot in the ocean, huh? Around our world, around our round world, water rolls, water rises, under gold sun, under the white moon. So we have water all over our world, all over Earth. The blue is our water. This is a lot of water, and this is the land. So our continent, our world has a lot of water. The end of that story.